This is ready to entertain the toddler. So.
Exactly. He's having so much fun. What are you eating? Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. I know it's been almost a year since I haven't posted on the Mel's Kitchen channel, but if you guys are following me on our main channel, then you guys will know what's up, that your girl is pregnant, having a baby at some point this year. So if you guys want to follow that journey, you guys can go over to our main channel. But yeah, that's what I've been busy doing, making babies. But I am coming to you today with a short video for this channel, or food channel. I think we'll feature both Tyler for the first time and Babe. Our son, if you watch our main channel again, you'll know that he loves to cook. He loves to pretend cook. He loves everything cooking, and he loves making pizza. So I think making pizza, homemade pizza, is our little family tradition these days. And if I'm out of breath, forgive me. Now you know that I'm pregnant. That's why I'm a little bit windy. But yeah, we are going to make family pizza right now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you all the things that we're going to be using to make this pizza before you guys see Tyler and Babe in this clip. So let's show you all the things that is going to be on this homemade pizza. So first of all, we have a pepperoni type thing going on here. You guys know I'm in France and it's hard for me to find pepperoni in the supermarket, so I find the closest thing to it. So that's that. And I have assorted sweet peppers here, yellow, red, green. I have mushroom because our son loves mushroom, Tyler loves mushroom. And we have olives because he also requested olives for this week's pizza. In this one, I have some sausage which I just cut in small pieces, and I also have some ham. Then I have pineapple. This is the tomato sauce that we'll be using. And then we have assorted cheese, cheddar for me especially. And then we have two different type of mozzarella. And of course, we're not going to be making the crust from scratch, so we buy the crust in the supermarket. So these are all the things that we're going to be using to make our homemade pizza. And I'm just showing you guys this video because it's really a fun way to keep the kids busy and entertained. If you guys have toddler at home like we do, and he enjoys doing this, you guys will see as the video go along how much he's engaged and he's happy to just make this pizza. So this is the pan that I am going to put the pizza dough on. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Tyler, you ready to make pizza? Come.
My mushroom and olive.
Where is the olive? Show me. Yeah. And where's the mushroom? Yes. You're excited?
Guess what?
Remember what?
Olive and mushroom and tomato sauce.
Yeah. Are you excited to make the pizza?
And 1, 2, 3.
Right, so we're gonna make pizza and Babe is there. I think it's the first time you guys seen Babe on this channel. So
Mama.
there is the husband.
Mama.
And there's the mini-me.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
So yes, start making our pizza.
He's so excited to
Yes,
make it.
start making our pizza, Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna start in a bit. Oh,
Fifth.
he's saying faves because we say faves on our main channel. And if you guys wonder where's the baby bump, there you go. Baby bump.
We have green olive. So yes, start making our pizza.
Yes,
Oh, you using this little one now?
So
Which
let's
little one?
start with
Okay,
the
okay,
dough.
okay.
Mama,
yes.
let's start with the dough.
Give me a little flour from
Let's
you,
start
please.
with the dough.
It should be right in front of you. Shouldn't be too far.
And I cut it for the pizza.
The cutter is there. It's coming.
Can you
Let's see
give
the
it to
cutter
me,
soon.
please?
What, the cutter?
Yeah.
We don't need the cutters. We're just gonna put a little bit of flour on here. Wait, let me roll up your sleeve a bit.
And then I rub it.
Yes, rub it all over the pan. We're just putting a little flour on the pan so it doesn't stick. Wait.
Okay, we wipe it after.
Stay right there, don't move. Alright you guys, this is the pizza dough that we chose to use. For no specific reason really. And
Mama!
yes, I want to look for the pizza cutter somewhere over there, please. I think this pizza dough is a little bit longer than the pan, so we're just gonna cut it
Mama?
a bit. Yes, baby.
Which shape Papa Kelly?
Which shape Papa took at the supermarket?
Yeah, he took rectangle.
Right, he took rectangle. No, wait.
Slowly.
Slowly. Let's see how. Open it up. I'm basically just adjusting this dough because it's longer than the pan. So I'm just cutting off a piece of it. That way we won't make a mess, right, Ty?
Yeah.
And then we can use the other piece and put it in a different pan to make a different pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna turn this over into this one, but we're gonna do it like this. Like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this off, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna take off the plastic, but you have to take your time. Okay, no, take it from this end. Hold it here. Here. Take your time. Okay, wait, don't pull it yet until Mama tell you to pull. Yay, we're done. Okay, what we're gonna do now? What's the next step? You remember?
Cheese.
No.
Toppings.
No. What we're gonna do with the spoon?
Tomato sauce.
Right. Tomato sauce with Papa. Okay.
I over it.
Right, we're gonna add the
What do we do with
tomato
this one
sauce
right
all
now?
over it. Alright, it's time for tomato sauce.
Yay!
Alright, tomato sauce. Wait, pumpkin, wait.
Now?
Wait.
Let's put some on the other pan.
Yeah. Okay, now you can do it, Ty.
Attention, regarde.
Slowly, take your time, okay?
That's too much tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce! Like I said, you guys, it's a really fun activity to do with your kids at home. Especially when they're on break or on the weekends or...
Like tomato sauce.
You don't like tomato sauce? Why?
Because I'm not feeling well.
You're so funny.
Are you?
You do love tomato sauce.
No.
Yes, you do.
No, because I'm not feeling well.
You don't like it when you're not feeling well?
But I still like pineapple on my pizza.
Okay. Finish with this part. Now what we're gonna add?
Cheese.
Yes! Cheese! And remember, you're gonna put your hand in it and then you're gonna sprinkle it all over it, okay? Like this. Put your hand in, and then you're gonna do like this. Okay? Oh, take your time, pumpkin.
That's too much. That's too much.
Remember, it's just the first. It's just for the bottom, okay?
Okay.
Put some over here. Spread it all over it.
That's too much.
Okay, no more after that.
That's a little bit.
This time back.
Okay, now you can add all the toppings that you want to add. You can add your olives, you can add your mushroom. Go ahead, add everything. Add as much as you want.
Mushroom.
Right. Yeah.
Like that is a mushroom.
Right. You can add it to your pizza.
No.
The pineapple smells good.
The pineapple smell good. Okay, you can add more pineapple on. You're eating everything. What else you gonna add on the pizza? You're just eating it all.
Cheese now?
Alright, you finish adding mushroom, you finish. I think you should add the rest of your olives.
I need to throw it
No.
all over it. I eat sausage and ham.
You're eating sausage and ham?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Tyler side is.
Fat. You love pineapple? So you're just eating all the pineapple?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, let me show you what our pizza look like close up right now.
Look, mushroom.
Ooh. That's mushroom?
Yeah.
Okay, show the faves what your pizza look like before it goes in the oven. Look at mama. And ah. Alright, and that's a little mini one. Okay, so now
Eat a little bit of pineapple.
you need to eat a little bit of pineapple. Alright, what we're gonna add now? Not pineapple, we're gonna add more cheese and more cheese. Open this for him, please. Let Papa open it for you.
Okay. That is for you and that is for me.
For this finish.
Yeah. Put it all over it. Go ahead. Go ahead, add cheese. Okay, no, not pineapple Thai cheese. You just be eating. That's all you're doing. Oh my god. It's yummy. Nah. I said I was gonna go on Instagram live. Okay. Alright, you can add some of this cheese now. This yellow one. Big scoop. Take some more. You don't have to be digging so hard.
Big cube.
Okay, all over it.
Yellow cheese.
Alright, might as well we just finish this yellow cheese. Ty, you just eating, boy. Come here, put cheese on. Put it on. No! No!
This is ready to entertain the toddler. So.
Exactly. He's having so much fun. What are you eating? I took away your pineapple?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming back. He's just throwing off the water. You're so funny. You're taking off the topping of the pizza? Die! No! You're so silly.
No, not.
Yes, you are.
No.
Look at Mama and smile. Give Mama a smile. Alright, you guys. So there goes our pizza before it goes in the oven. It's fat. Oh my gosh, and there goes the other one. All right, these gonna go in the oven for how much minutes, Ty? How many minutes they going in the oven for?
1.
No!
11.
20 minutes, okay?
20 minutes.
All right, Mama gonna put them in the oven now. All right, you guys, our pizza is out of the oven. It is finished cooking. And that's our final product. Tyler! Run! Calling Tyler. So he can see it. Oh, don't touch, it's hot. What's that?
Pizza.
It's finished. It's pretty.
Where is the pineapple?
It's hidden. Look.
It's on the mushroom.
Look. Mushroom here, 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 here.
And where is on the
It's under the cheese. All right. So thanks for watching, guys.
For watching, guys.
See
you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye. Gigantic pizza.
Gigantic pizza. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen, and please go over to our main channel and join our journey of baby number 2. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next Mel's Kitchen. Bye, guys.